Yeah. Loog Nation! Hey everyone, it's Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're working on The Lion Sleeps Tonight, a huge hit by the Tokens in 1961, and you know this song from a bunch of movies and TV shows that you may love, or maybe your parents love. So let's get into it. We have 3 chords that we're going to learn on this song. We have an E major, we have an A major, and we also have a B7. So let's learn those real fast. Follow the chart here, and let's get our fingers on the fretboard of your Loog. The E is with your first finger on the 3rd string, 1st fret, like right there. Make sure your thumb is right behind the finger, so you're trying to pinch down on it, and we're using our chomping fingers, not quacking ducks. We want chomping monsters, not quacking ducks, on the fretboard. So the tip of your first finger on the string. E major. That's a pretty easy one. Here comes A major. We've got 2 fingers, the 2 middle fingers, and we're going to use our 2nd finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, and the 3rd finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. Again, we're chomping down, and we're trying to get clean notes. I'm picking through so you can do like a sound check. Make sure you get each string to ring out. There you go. That's our A major. And the 3rd chord that we're using is a B7. That one is the same fingers, but we're going to move our 3rd finger to the 1st string, 2nd fret. So you see right there, we've got our 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret. We have the open 2nd string. And then we have the 1st string, 2nd fret. E, A, and B7. So let's talk about the order of these chords. The song is the exact same the entire way through, so once we know the order, we can start having fun with the strumming. The order is E major, A major, E major, B7. Let's get into the strum. Now that we know the order of the chords, let's do this. So the strum is syncopated, meaning we're starting on the upbeat, right? And we're going to use the same kind of upbeat, syncopated shuffle or strum throughout the whole song. So I'm having a lot of fun with this song. It's really fun to play because once we get all of this down, you can just play the song forever and you can work on your vocal performance, as I should probably. So we're gonna play Miss, Up, Down, Up, Stop. Let's do that again. I'm on an E chord. Miss, Up, Down, Up, Stop. Miss, Up, Down, Up, Stop. Up, Down, Up, Stop. Up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, The stop happens on the beat. The strums happen on the offbeat, or the and of the beat. So that's where we get the syncopation from. We're going to do that twice for each chord. I'm going to go really slow. My stops may sound weird. That's because I'm going really slow. Here we go. E, miss, up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop. Change to an A, up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop. Back to an E, up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop. Now to the B7, up, down, up, stop, up, down, up, stop. And all of that repeats. That's the entire song. Whew, that was easy. Well, kind of. Now we have to get up tempo and feel the swing or that groove of it. Notice that my strumming is a little off. I'm not doing straight eighth note sounds. Let's talk about this swing feel. My strumming is not. That's not the song. That sounded weird. Even look on my face, right? I was like, that sounded weird. So I want to be able to give a little bit of a swing, a little bit of a shuffle. The strum is a short up, a long down, and a short up again. Kind of like talking Morse code if you see the dashes and the dots. I want to be able to hold just a little bit longer on that down strum so I get a nice short up, right? Before I stop it again. Short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short, short, long, short. And then we add in the chuck or the stop. Short, long, short, stop. My biggest suggestion would be to go to each chord and practice that strum. The strum is what's so key to making it sound like the recording. So take the time to go through it. In fact, let's do a quick lesson right now. Here's your practice point. You can use this as a practice for this song. Let's take 2 minutes and work on each chord, playing it several times with this strum. Short, long, short, stop. Short, long, short, stop. Just like that. We're going to do E. We're going to do that 8 times, okay? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go to A. Do the same thing 8 times. Now we're going to go to B7 and do that 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's a great way to practice that strum, just doing each chord and working on that strum. Okay, so there you go. That's the whole song. We have our intro, the whole right? And then we have the lyrics, and then we go back into that awesome vocal trill, which is so fun to sing. And then we go into more lyrics. Let's put it all together. I'll go a little bit slowly. Here we go. go. That was a quick lesson, a lot to practice, and I hope you have a lot of fun playing A Lion Sleeps Tonight. We're here every Thursday with a new lesson, so please check it out by clicking that subscribe button. You know the routine. Awesome. I hope you guys enjoyed this lesson. If you need anything else from me, leave a comment below. Let's start a conversation. What's your favorite song? What's the hardest thing about playing the Loog? What are you nervous about when you want to play a song? Again, I'm Mr. Will. I look forward to helping you out learning how to play the Loog here at Loog Nation. We'll see you next time.